AVERT is a Department of Homeland Security Safety Act certified physical security assessment product that is accredited by the DoD and DOE, and used by the DoD and DOE 65% of North America's nuclear reactors and other critical infrastructure to perform security vulnerability assessment, security system design validation, and quantitative security system performance evaluation. AVERT's modeling and simulation engine has over 2 decades of development and incorporates testing data from Sandia National Laboratory for its calculations. As design basis threats rise in complexity, adversary tactics are improved, and security forces are required to do more with less resources, AVERT can serve as a force multiplier and enhance the capabilities of a protective force. One of the many emerging threats AVERT can help security forces address is the threat of small unmanned aircraft systems, commonly referred to as UAS or drones. Subject matter experts can simulate drone threat scenarios and test the effectiveness of drone-related security strategies, including both offensive and defensive actions. Drones can be used for surveillance by both red and blue forces, and also be equipped to deliver explosives, throw nets, deliver electromagnetic weapons, drop packages containing chemicals, or complete other complex actions. AVERT contains customizable data sets including speed tables that can be affected by weight, sound and radar detection distances, and advanced drone countermeasures that can be installed on the ground or mounted on the drone. In this scenario, there are 2 drones penetrating the airspace above Nellis Air Force Base at night. These drones are detected and identified by the ground-based drone detection systems, which trigger the security force drones equipped with anti-drone devices to be launched to counter the threat. Here we can see the 2 blue force drones holding a defensive pattern over the base until the rules of engagement are met. Once within range, AVERT's pathfinding algorithms will have the blue force drones respond, and once they are within range of the adversary's drones, they use their countermeasure devices. AVERT is uniquely equipped to analyze drone combat while taking into consideration advanced pathfinding techniques and incorporating real-life test data for the specific manufacturer solutions one might consider. AVERT also takes into consideration factors such as day and night operations and other variables that affect the probability of the various sensors to detect drones alongside the probability of the countermeasure system effectiveness to neutralize the drone mid-flight. AVERT enables subject matter experts to view the complete data set of the scenarios run and even replay the events at a given speed. AVERT's charts and data outputs allow for easy report generation and quantitative measurements to enable security analysts and team leaders to assess asset coverage and rapidly reevaluate security effectiveness against emerging threats and changing environmental conditions. As shown in this scenario, the addition of blue force surveillance drones on fixed patrol routes improves the timelines for detection and neutralization of the adversary drones, and significantly lowers the probability of a successful attack.